So I would like to know from your side, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you for asking me. My name is Aminul. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student as well as I'm learning speaking English. I'm a
Mhm.
student of honors first year, as well as I'm doing a part-time job at a school as a teacher. Yeah, that's all about me. So what about you?
So yeah, nice to hear you. So my name is Prashant. I'm born and raised in Tamil Nadu. I'm coming from especially Dindigul. So I completed in bachelor's in computer science and engineering from Anna University. Currently staying in Kochi, Kerala, and I'm working as a software developer at private sector. This is our, yeah.
Okay, that's
So
really nice.
Aminul, can you please introduce yourself? Can you tell me one thing actually? Why are you learning this language actually? I'm curious to know about this. See everyone and day by day, I'm just asking about this question. Can you please tell me about that?
Why am I learning this language?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for asking me this question. Actually, I'm learning this language. There are two reasons. First reason is in future and to do freelancing, and in freelancing, learning English is very important. So this is one. Second reason is in future I want to travel all over the world. That's why I'm learning. So what about you?
So actually, if I start from my talking about this topic, actually, I started my English speaking journeys as 2 months ago. Actually, and I
Two
joined
months
in a
ago.
new, yeah, 2 months ago. Recent times, I just used to watch English speaking conversation videos like English flat, grammar, and TED Talks. Sometimes I have a time to use it to watch English web series, English movies. Uh, I'm also mentioned that I just reading books. So yeah, right now I'm reading Secret Book. So this is how I'm learning this language. So yeah. So you're from Bangladesh, right?
Yes, I'm from
So
Bangladesh.
from North India. Have you ever visited the southern part of India?
I didn't have visited any other country out of my country actually. And in future I have a plan, so many plan to visit. So what about you?
No, no, no. I have a curious to know about the cultures of Nepal, Northeast Northeast Indian cultures like Bangladesh.
Are you Prashant? Maybe you are Hindu.
Yes, yes.
So okay, so what's your plan to celebrate New Year?
So actually, this year I have no plan to celebrate this New Year because I have no friends here actually. So I just take how to say I just take some kind of how to say mm, this to-do list like this is how this to-do list I want to do this in the year of 2025. I don't I won't do that this kind of uh, list of I don't to do this this year of
Okay,
2025. So I have a
as you
two kind of this. Yeah.
so as you said, you don't have friend there.
No, no, I have no friends here.
So right now, are you leaving your state or yeah, you moving from
No, no. So
another?
I'm currently staying in a Kochi, Kerala. You know
Okay.
Kerala?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I heard about Kerala.
Okay. Have you ever watched any Tamil movies or other movies like southern part of India movies? Have you ever watched it?
Actually, I want to know which state did you born?
I'm from Tamil Nadu. Tamil.
Tamil Nadu. And
You know
now,
Tamil?
right? Yeah, I heard about Tamil Nadu. And you right now you are living in Kerala.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so why?
One sec, Amir.
So my question is, why did you move here from your state?
Because I'm working here, so that is why
Okay,
I'm moved here.
okay.
So yeah.
Okay. As you said before, you are a software developer.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So in future, I want to do freelancing. So tell me something. In freelancing, which sector is good for
Actually, what is
freelancers?
your interest to make a software, or you want to become a software developer or something? What kind of? Do you know
Actually,
program coding?
my plan. I want to earn money from freelancing. It will be any sector.
Any sector, but
So which
it just
sector will
depends
be
on
good?
the mindset actually. So if you want to know that, if you know that programming or coding to make, if you know any like programming any languages, you have to do any courses for particular length of like particular, I mean particular programming like React. You want to go full stack developer, so React developer. So you want to front end developers, Angular or React. If you want to back end developers, .NET, Java, C, C++. It's only.
Okay, good. So, so are you working at a company as a software developer?
Yes, I'm working as a software developer.
Okay. Hege hoye to. E kotho khon age? Okay,
So,
so
Aminul, can you please tell me about that? What are the languages you're speaking in your native?
I'm, okay,
So,
I'm from
in
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh,
In
they have several languages there. It's the only language is common for your country.
okay, in Bangladesh, the only one language is Bangla. There are no languages without Bangla.
Bangla.
And
But
and our
Bangla.
second language English.
Okay. So English is a common language. It's a global language.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
know that.
So
Bangla.
and
Bangla is
in India there are so many languages. Yeah, tell me.
Bangla actually it's similar for in Hindi language. It's totally different Bangla. You can understand Hindi
Actually,
now because it's near
can
from
you
the
explain?
north. Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite same to Hindi. And do you understand Bangla?
No, no, no.
In our Bengali language, how are you? It means তুমি কেমন আছো? What's your name? It means তোমার নাম কি? Do you understand?
Yeah, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? It's a Hindi word. It's similar for Manglang,
Yeah,
right?
it's very
Okay.
similar.
Okay.
So how many languages do you know?
Actually, currently, Tamil is my native language. I'm currently learning this English, little bit, and Malayalam also. Yeah, right now, the three
Okay,
languages.
tell me something in Tamil Nadu language. I didn't hear.
Tamil.
Yeah,
Tamil. What is your name? Actually, it's in Tamil, உன் பெயர் என்ன? உன் பெயர் என்ன? Okay. What is your name?
actually,
உன் பெயர் என்ன?
it's really difficult to
Uh,
understand.
okay. Yeah, but it's the oldest language in the world, na? So you can, but little is, so, how are you? நல்லா இருக்கியா? How are you?
Okay,
How are you means நல்லா இருக்கியா? Okay. So that
okay.
is something. Have you eat? Did you eat? Or do you eat? Means சாப்பிட்டியா? So that is
Sapi, I
சாப்பிட்டியா.
don't understand at all.
Okay.